So I don't know why, but some associations just don't think it's a good thing for people in their community to have metal roofs. I don't know why. Fantastic product. It's great on the market. I think it's a great thing that it came out. Oftentimes, I think it's a jealousy factor. I really do believe that.
I agree.
But unit owners, homeowners, I should say, were being prohibited from installing a metal roof for whatever reason. Now the law says, well, as long as it meets a certain standard, I think it's called ASCE standards, which a metal roof is, you got to let them put the metal roof on. And I still have people fighting me, that they are not going to let them in, let them on. Yeah, you are, or you're going to wind up getting sued.
Yeah.
So
I've dealt with that from the ground. Like we've dealt with it. We had a community that all the roofs were barrel tile, your traditional Mediterranean style, clay color barrel tile. And you had an owner fighting before the law that wanted a metal roof. And at that time, it didn't exist, the barrel tile metal roofs. Now they exist. So it was a battle. It was a battle. I believe the person lost the issue because the new law wasn't in place. But now it's made it much simpler because now
This person was ahead of its time.
Yeah, you have the barrel tile. And I felt honestly in thinking about it, it was a tough decision. We as a management company, we don't try to take sides, but we talk about these situations at the office. And it's tough to take sides because we completely understand the metal roof. Much longer longevity, hurricane chance of it popping off, rare, very rare because that's bolted down. Barrel tile, super easy to become an object. But when you see, let's say,
The aesthetics of the community.
Yeah, but you got to remember, like I said a little bit earlier, some people fall in the love of the aesthetics of the community. But fortunately enough, technology has advanced. We now have the new law. And now, you can allow metal roofs and say, okay, we have them. Now there's barrel metal roofs, even though now you could put a metal roof no matter what. But now there's barrel style
They
metal
can
roofs
compensate
as well.
a little bit.
Yeah.
you can. The board still has the authority to say, wait a minute, you're going to use this color
This
as close
color,
to
that's
possible.
right. Yep.
No problem. They can still say that.
Yep.
But just saying a blanket prohibition on metal roofs, can't do
yeah.
that anymore.
Yeah.
And that doesn't feel really friendly also for technology. It's
Yeah,
just
of course,
not
of course.
helpful.